Good morning. I want to just once again just thank all my colleagues. This is absolutely a critical issue, but it goes beyond flood insurance. It goes to the affordability of housing in America. You know, in the Banking Committee and all across Congress, we have been spending a lot of time taking a look at GSE reform, taking a look at what we're going to do with qualified mortgages. How are we going to bring in, the secondary market? How do we stabilize after a devastating crash in the housing market in this country? And now we're hit with a devastating increase for very many Americans in flood insurance, which makes their home ownership virtually unaffordable, but also makes their home value that much less. So these same folks who have done everything right, as Senator Vitter explained, have done everything right, built to the right elevations, met the requirements, have done all the things that we expect of folks once we see these kinds of devastating impacts of floods and water, only to be told now your house is worth half of what it was worth before because you're going to pay $10,000, $15,000 in flood insurance, and we're not exaggerating that dollar amount. This is a huge issue on affordability. This is a huge issue for people not just in Florida and Louisiana and in the area that was hit by Hurricane Sandy, which is why I think it's so important that Senator Hoeven and I join this effort to explain that flood insurance operates across the country in ways that make home ownership affordable for folks, and we have absolutely got to fix this problem. You might suggest why we're standing here and we don't have a pitch or a proposal. We want to make sure that the message is sent to those folks who are seeing these large increases that we are working very hard to reform this system to get them relief and to not panic, not despair at this point that this will be the reality of their home ownership and their flood insurance, but that we are very, very serious in a very interestingly bipartisan way to fix this problem.